Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this quick tutorial I will show you how to swap your left and right headphone channels in Windows 11 using voice meter. So perfect if your headset is wired wrong or you just want to flip the audio. So without any further ado, let's get started. So why you might need this? Sometimes your headphones or speakers are set up backwards, so sounds meant for the left you're playing the right ear. Unfortunately, Windows 11 does not have a built-in feature to swap audio channels. That's where voice meter comes in. It is a free virtual audio mixer that lets you control your audio routing. So first of all, you just need to download the voice meter. Just go enter, and then from the B Audio official website you just need to download that apps in your computer, then restart your computer if needed, then launch voice meter. You will see it's a virtual mixer interface. So here you can see it already been downloaded, so we are going to install that one. Just click this one, open this one, and I'm going to install that one in here. So just click yes, and you just need to follow these additional steps, and once it's done, then you will get the options. Now in voice meter under A1, you just need to select actual headphones or e-speaker as the hardware output. This routes audio from voice meter to your real device, and you should now hear your normal audio. Now to swap the channel, so here you can see install you must restart your computer for installation. So we just need to do the restart. So I will not do that thing in now. So let me give you a theoretical basis in installations. Like, you just need to click the menu at the top right in voice meter, then go to the system setting options and find the swap left or right box for your A1 output. Check that box. Voice meter will now flip the left and right channels for your headphones, and that's it. It is super easy. Now your audio channels are swapped in Windows 11. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more quick tips, and drop a comment if you have any question. Thanks for watching.